have to talk. All right, so good afternoon, all my friends of Jamaicans.com. This is Calibe again. I am with Mr. Kerry. Kerry, what's your last name again? Dennis. Kerry Dennis from the Jamaica Tourist Board. And the Jamaica Tourist Board is actually our host for this trip to Jamaica. And so I'm very happy to be walking around here now because I am now on the grounds. On the earlier video you saw me from the hotel room, but I'm now on the grounds of the Secrets Wild Orchid. All right, so it's actually four different buildings at Secrets. I'm staying at Wild Orchid, but I'm showing you the grounds of, I think it's like the whole property of 4 different places. So behind me right now is the Hard Rock Hotel, and I'm gonna switch the camera around because there's all kinds of cool stuff going on. I'm gonna see if we can find some tourists to talk. You know what, Kerry? Yeah. Stop being so Freddy with the camera now. Tell the Jamaicans.com people good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
All right, so what do you do with Jamaica Tourist Board?
I'm an island specialist.
Other than giving trouble?
I'm an island specialist.
Okay.
I work with the marketing department.
Okay. All right. And so you host people like myself and like Mr. Sexy Man that's coming tomorrow and tell us about the local...
And take you to all the nooks and crannies of Jamaica that a lot of people don't see on a regular basis.
I like nooks and crannies, you know. I think I want to talk to this pan chicken man. Hold on. Let's take a walk, Kerry. All right, Mr. Pan Chicken Man. How you doing, sir?
Good to see you.
I'm very well, thank you. So,
okay, man.
So I'm on Jamaicans.com. You mind talking to the people for a second? Oh my God, I don't even know if you can see me with all of this jerk chicken smoke.
Alright.
Jerk chicken smoke in the air.
That's nice jerk chicken at Secret right here. It's the best around here, alright? So when you come to Secret, so you get a real spicy jerk chicken. We also do pork too, alright?
I don't even know if you can see us because of all of the smoke. I'm gonna turn the camera around so we can talk to you. So what is your name, Mr. Jerk Chicken Man?
Alright, my name is Loten.
Say it again?
Loten Edwards.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Tourist, how you doing?
Alright, bro, you want some jerk chicken, man? You want to try some, man? Come around here and try some, man.
Luton
around here, the real spicy jerk chicken.
It's enticing.
Yeah,
it's enticing the tourists to enjoy some jerk chicken. Mr. Tourist, you're speaking to Jamaicans.com. There's like a few 100,000 people out there following Jamaicans.com. Awesome. So yes, oh yes, Island good, must come back soon. 5 months, big up, Panamanian good. Where are you from, Mr. Tourist?
Florida.
Florida, what's your name?
Michael,
how are you enjoying? Big up, Michael. How are you enjoying your stay at Secrets?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Did you come alone or did you come with people?
No, my wife. She escaped. I gotta go look for her.
Oh Lord. She escaped. There's so many places for her to escape to.
it's a real jerk chicken right here, man.
Thank
real
you, man.
spice.
Let me
Keep
see
your
your
lips
plate.
burning, okay?
Let everybody
you.
see your plate.
Look at that.
Ooh, sexy.
The
Thank
best
you.
in town, he said.
Best in tone, right?
Thank you, Michael.
Real jerk right here. You see it? Just put it.
All right, Michael from Florida.
All right,
Find your wife before somebody find her for you. Careful now. All right. All right. Yes, your mouth is watering. Mine too. So, Mr. Pan Chicken Man,
You need to get some chicken.
no, I'm not eating nothing else. I eat lunch already. Okay. I had lunch in one of the fancy restaurants. I should have come out here and had some of the real pan chicken. So you've been pushing your pan around. I'm just show everybody your pan thing here. All right. So if you look at Jamaicans.com, right, there's a video where they show like all different kind of hand cart and push cart and thing on wheels and motorized and electrified and all kind of stuff. You have your ice green and gold cart here and you've been pushing your jerk chicken around for the entire day as far as I have seen. That's what you do all day, just push the cart back and forth across the property?
Yeah, man, so everyone was sleeping and not sleeping, you know?
So everybody sees you.
Yeah, they want to say jerky. So everyone wake up and come over for it, you know?
Jerky, alright.
Yeah, that's the way we do it, man.
So how you season this? I don't even know if the people them can see because of the smoke. Yeah, man, they can see it.
Yeah,
Ooh, it doesn't that look delicious? It looks very moist.
Yeah.
What do you do for your chicken to be so moist? You put red stripe on it? What's the deal?
Oh, we only use red stripe here, you know?
Oh, you do?
For the season, we use like onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, ginger, some scotch bonnet pepper. Blend it up with soy sauce and just marinate chicken for 24 hours, alright?
So you make your own jerk
yeah, we make
seasoning?
It own jerk. It's our homemade sauce.
Nice.
Homemade jerk season.
Nice.
And the sauce is also homemade, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, so everything is just homemade right here.
Right.
Yeah, man, that's what we do it.
Okay. And then you use the pimento wood or just any?
Yeah, man, we use pimento too, man. We use
Very nice.
pimento seed, we blend up the pimento seed in a blender and just use it, mix up with everything and marinate chicken also, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. And how long you been working here?
Working here 8 years now.
Very nice.
You made a cart?
No, the company made the card, so we just do the work for the company, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's the way we do it right here.
All right, Mr. Luther. I'm gonna go and visit the coconut man now.
Rasta man right there. So far Rasta man. Right?
Far Rasta man.
Luton, thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, so we're now gonna keep walking because there's no shortage of stuff to. All right, look over here. Look over here. Right? You see the little bridges of Madison County? There's two little. I don't think I can zoom on the video, but there's two little bridges like right in the middle of the ocean waters over there. Oh my God, it's fabulous. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing? Say hello to the people on the internet.
Hello, people. Come on down to Jamaica.
All right, you see, so everybody at this property, as I said, characters and personality. And over here is our, this is not a real Rasta man. Is a Rasta man that or is a fake Rasta man? Rasta man. Oh my gosh. Mr. Coconut Man. How you doing, sir? Everybody run gone left you?
Everybody down.
Oh boy. All right. So this is the Coconut Man.
Hold on, we have to be up.
Lord have mercy. Carlton is going to give us a pose. No, it's video we're doing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're going to chop it? Okay, so Mr. Carlton is chopping up some coconut. There was a bunch of people over here a while ago and now they're gone. But he's got to give you the chop style. And when you're in Jamaica, this is one of the sights that you see on a regular basis, right? A man in a tam chopping some fresh jelly coconut. You don't get jelly coconut in America, sorry. You get the dry one that them grate up and you put on top of some ice cream or some cookies or something. But the fresh jelly coconut, you get that in the Caribbean and specifically, right, specifically in Jamaica with Mr. Carlton. Who love Jamaican food? Oh yes, it's very creative. Love the idea of bringing food to the people. I hate going to hotels in Jamaica and you have to be in the restaurant at a certain time to eat. So I'm at the Secrets Hotel and I did have lunch inside of one of the restaurants, but after now visiting with Mr. Carlton, I did have a jelly coconut a little while ago and I did have some mango. No, I didn't have the pineapple, I had the mango, but he has the fresh fruits out here. It's better, this is better. Like I would have preferred to have the jerk chicken, and had I known it was that fresh, I would have come out here and had the jerk chicken. But Mr. Carlton is chopping down his coconut. So how long you been doing this, Mr. Carlton?
7 years.
7 years. What's the most interesting tourist that you have come across?
Travel agency.
Travel agency is the most interesting. That doesn't sound interesting.
Yeah, a lot of tourists.
No crazy people?
Yeah, man.
What do crazy people them do? Tell us a crazy people story.
Oh, they like to see them chopping the coconut. And tell them coconut water with wow.
Coconut water with
Yeah,
wow.
man, everything irie.
Everything I hear. Alright, boss. Alright, so Mr. Carlton is chopping his coconut. Mr. Dennis, you're very quiet. Tell us what's fabulous about Jamaica and about Secrets. Why did you choose this particular resort to have us come and stay at?
Well, I could have chosen many more resorts, you know, but we wanted to highlight Montego Bay. And features like this, Carlton, the Jellyman and the Jerkman, this is a feature of this property, so that's why I wanted to highlight this property.
So there's a whole lot of there's a whole lot of authentic stuff that you see here that you're probably not going to see at other resorts. Or does this one just kind of encompass everything? Because I know there's a lot of other resorts that are great in Montego Bay, but this one has just a little bit of everything in there.
Yes, as I said, the cart, the push carts.
Yeah, right, right.
That's a typical Jamaican feature. You won't see it anywhere else.
So,
That other properties, how many properties will you go and see?
Hold on, we're going to take a picture of Mr. Dennis on the steering.
Is a video, you know? Oh, Mr. Yes, Mr. Dennis, you need to go and hold up the steering, Mr. Dennis.
Okay.
All right, so you're going to get video, you're not going to get no picture. All right.
Jelly coconut.
Jelly coconut. You see, we come to Jamaica and have the big tourist board people selling jelly coconut. Ah, yes, I like that, Island Origins. Okay.
Strong enough.
That's what the coconut look like when you're chopping it. All right. Very professional.
Yeah, man.
All
Jelly
right.
coconut.
Jelly Coconut and Island Origins magazine. All right, we're going to keep on walking. Thank you, Mr. Carlton.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
Carlton, look more.
All right, so we're going to keep on walking through the property. And this one, what's the name of this place? Breathless? Breath?
No, the one behind us is Breathless.
And what's this? Do you know what this one is?
This is a part of.
This is the St. James?
I think this is the preferred club.
This is the Preferred Club. Okay, so there's 4 properties or 4 buildings on this on this property.
We're at the preferred club, then we're going to be at Wild Orchid, and then farthest is Secret.
So there's
St.
a whole
James.
map thing here. There's St. James, Wild Orchid, Preferred Club, and
Breathless.
Bless.
Breathless is the-
Breathless. And then across the way is
That's
the
Breathless.
oh at the Hard Rock.
Yeah, that's the restaurant.
Okay.
It's called Hard Rock. But
All right.
it is Breathless.
And we have some awesome tourists on the hammock. Can I tell you? There's a thing. Jamaicans.com. Jamaicans.com. Yes, sir. There's some awesome tourists in an awesome hammock. That's a thing that I dream of having in my home at some point. You see the canopies? I think, what, do people have weddings? Yes, people have weddings here. So there was a lovely...
Hello, it's beautiful.
Is that my friend Michael again?
Yeah, that was beautiful.
Hey, of course I'm going to tell him it's beautiful, Michael. Did you ever find your wife, or is she still missing?
Yeah, she's traveling all across the somewhere.
How are you enjoying your jerk chicken?
It's good. I
Yeah?
should have stopped and got some of that, the coconut water. 'cause it's
You cannot...
spicy.
You
Spicy.
couldn't hold it all. Oh, it's burning you up,
No,
huh?
not too bad. I love Scotch bonnet.
Oh, Lord. All
Yeah.
right. Did you know that he made it from scratch? He
Oh,
made the
did he?
jerk seasoning from scratch?
Oh, man.
Mine always
That'll
comes
be
out
my
of a box.
spot from now on.
How long are you going to be here?
To Saturday.
Till Saturday. All right.
Yeah.
So I'm sure I will see you again, Mr. Michael. All right. So Jamaicans.com people. I wonder if we want to go over to one of the bars and talk to one of the bartenders. So, Mr. Bartender, can I do a little quick talk to you while you're making your drinks? I have Jamaicans.com. We're on Jamaicans.com streaming live. So we have people watching from Scotland and Georgia and Norway and all over the world. And tell us, try the Bob Marley drink. What's the Bob Marley drink?
Bob Marley is basically strawberry mango rum with a little blue curry, so
Oh, that's a real thing?
yeah,
Can we see it?
sure I can make it for you.
Awesome. All right. So when he's done with this drink, we are going to thank you, Melissa Helmick, for that suggestion, because I don't know what the Bob Marley drink is. I just heard about some ingredients. But our friend, Mr. Bartender, what's his name? Everett? Everett is going to make us some Bob Marley drink. Hello, Carol McDonald. Where are you? You guys let me know where you are. Let me know where you are while we are watching and waiting for Everett to make us a Bob Marley drink. And we've got, oops, sorry. We've got lots of tourists here just enjoying the drinks and enjoying the vibes out here on a, what day is it? Wednesday. On a Wednesday afternoon. Ooh. What's this drink? What's the name of this drink?
That's a zombie.
A zombie. And what's in that one?
That's Jamaica brandy rum, orange pineapple and strawberry.
Okay. May I put you on camera, ma'am? Hello? Hi, can I put you on camera? Sure. Do you mind? Okay, so I'm gonna ask you, what's your name? Greta is from Kentucky. Greta is from Kentucky. She flew all the way down here. Oh, look at that. Watching from Dallas, Texas, Hollywood, Florida. And we have Greta, Pennsylvania in the US. So Greta is from Kentucky and she's having a zombie drink. And I heard what was in there, but I was already drunk just smelling it. So tell me, what does it taste like, Greta? Perfect answer. Homestead, Florida. Thank you for checking in, Della Reese. How long have you been here? Oh, you have 2. You're going crazy with it. Okay, he's gonna do the Bob Marley. Thank you so much, Greta. All right, and Everett is
Strawberry. Yeah, mango.
mango.
So that's the first 2 parts of the drink.
Okay.
What we do, we got the mango, blue color, green coloring.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Okay. Watching from Curacao. Thank you for joining us. So we're doing a Bob Marley. Okay.
We got that 3 layer.
Oh.
And we add some rum. As a topper.
Yeah. Is you drinking nothing because I can't manage?
That's a show for sure.
No, that's how you make a proper drink. A proper drink. Right, Julian Collins and Odd Pine. Whoa, indeed. I don't know what you're doing with so much.
Piece of garnish on top.
Okay. And this is the Bob Marley.
How's the Bob Marley?
Bob Marley, according to Everett.
Let me hold this. I hold this.
All right, he's gonna hold, and I'm gonna drink. And I'm scared because I don't drink. But this is the Bob Marley. So it's 3 layers of slushy and a pineapple. And am I supposed to mix in the rum or just?
Yes, that's for presentation. We gotta mix in the rum after.
I gotta mix in the rum after, because you know I'm a lightweight. I'm gonna, oh my god. Alright, you cannot give this to people that don't drink. No, it's actually very nice. It's not too strong. What kind of rum are you trying to do?
Appleton over.
Appleton overproof. It's
Appleton overproof.
Appleton.
Appleton special.
Appleton. Oh no! All right. When the rum goes down in there, it actually does
I'll
get
help
very
you. I'll
strong.
help you. You can lean on my shoulder.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. So
Yvonne
one last,
Garden.
one last sip for me, and there you go. All right. So yes, yeah. Are you watching? Are you watching, Michael? What? Where are you from, sir?
Boise, Idaho.
Boise, Idaho. Can you say hello to all the people watching on Jamaicans.com? What? How long have you been at Secrets?
3 days?
3 days. And what's the most fun thing you've done while you've been in Jamaica?
Swimming in the ocean. I don't know.
Have you done the foam party?
No, have not done the phone.
Are you going to do the foam party?
I hope so.
All right. So that's it for tonight. That's it for tonight. All right. I think we gave up on the Bob Marley drink. Try the Bob Marley drink. I hear that's awesome.
Yeah, try the Bob Marley.
All right. Oh, did you find her?
My wife.
There's your wife. Okay, so Michael's wife just came back. Did he give you some of the jerk chicken?
No.
No jerk chicken for you? Oh my God. Where did you go? He was looking everywhere for you. Oh my God. But you did get your coconut water. And how are you enjoying that? Awesome. All right, we're going to see you guys around because we will be here for the whole week as well.
Everybody come.
Everybody come to Secrets. All right, so we're walking again. We just went and got ourselves drunk. And no, I can't say that with Mr. JTB around because he's going to get in trouble, but I'm not. So we're going to keep walking along the beach. And here is another like place with a bunch of trinkets and stuff. So you're looking over crafts, that what you call it, crafts. So you're overlooking the ocean. There's this wide panoramic ocean view. And again, our bridges and our you know, sitting, there's a restaurant right in the middle of the pool. Right. Friend on the Segway, Mr. Segway, stop and talk to Jamaicans.com for 1 sec. What you gonna lick me over? All right, so our friend on the Segway, how does that work?
It's actually a self-balance, right? If you lean forward, it actually take you forward. You lean back, it take you back.
And I won't drop and break my butt? Okay. And you...
How about you just step on it for a second?
I'm gonna step on it for a second?
Yeah.
Mr. Dennis? All right, so I'm trying to Segway, guys.
Wheel it here.
Alright, lean forward. Lean forward. Okay. Not too bad. If I drop, turn away the camera, you know. Do not let anybody.
You want to turn to the side. Sit to the side.
I'm turning to the side.
Not your shoulder. Not your knee.
Okay. What? The whole body? The handle. Oh, the handle. Okay. Look, I'm turning. I'm not so back on after all. Alright. Leaning forward.
Yay!
I'm tense. I'm scared. I'm scared I'm gonna fall and break my hand. No, hold it. Alright, hold on. I'm not. Oh my god.
Wow.
Sorry you had to see that. Thank you, sir. How long you been here?
I've been actually working here for a couple months. And now I'm going to be with the company for 1 year and 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah, still counting, you know.
Alright, and anybody can come and ride on the segways?
I'm going to try. Try now.
I'm have a man up, right?
No muscle.
This is Mr. Kerry Dennis from the Jamaica Tourist Board. I'm gonna hold the magazine for you. And Kerry is going to attempt. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. The battle of the Segway, people. All right. Don't hit Kerry. Don't hit. Say hi. All right, I can't distract them because they'll fall off. All right, and Kerry's being very brave. I could not do this, ladies and gentlemen. He is now leaning forwards and backwards to balance the Segway. Good job, Maria. If I tell you how scared I was on that thing a while ago, I've fallen off one of the hoverboards. It was not a pretty sight. Oh my gosh. So here is Kerry Dennis of the Jamaica Tourist Board for the first time trying a Segway. And this is the fun stuff that you do at the Secrets Resort. And there's, like, as I said, there's 4 buildings on the resort. There's a bunch of stuff to do. It's not like, you know, there's fun houses and a whole bunch of shows and stuff, but these little things, there's little things that you can do as you walk around the property. You're going to find the Segway, the coconut man, the jerk chicken man, or pan chicken, I should say. And he made it all from scratch. That was awesome. You good? How's that, Kerry? You see, you come out and... Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, man. What you said for the first time, huh?
Yeah. Wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
Not too bad. All right. So now we come over to the Craft Cottage. And in addition to our Rasta Santa Claus, there's I'll go visit him in a second, but I want to show his wares first because we have stuff like scorpions and crabs and starfish and bowls. You have to have your requisite. Hi, can you say hi? Hi. All right. So we have all kinds of tourists from all over, probably mostly the US. But our craft guy has red stripe and parrots and dragons and football stuff. And you're the crafts person? Are you the crafts person, madame? Do you make all of these things?
Not me.
Who?
Husband.
Your husband.
It's a group of them.
Okay.
He's not here today.
Okay.
He's the guy. He's the one who does all the painting.
Okay. The gentleman around the corner here?
Yeah, he's the one.
Okay, so how does your husband come up with the ideas for all of these things that he crafts?
No, most of the time, persons request asks for, take for instance, those signs.
Yes.
One person asks for steelers.
Okay.
He asks us to make, can you get me a steelers?
Okay.
And we make the steelers. Another person come and they say, oh, that's not my team. I want Dallas Cowboys and whatever.
So if you make one, you just make 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
And certain things that you see here,
Yes.
persons make, you don't have any draw, but persons do custom pieces.
Right.
So all the pieces, persons just come and ask if we can do that for them, and then we just continue.
Right. Okay, so if we go around the corner now, yes, it is Secrets in Montego Bay. It's only for adults. This is not a children's hospital. This is not a I'm sorry, I'm thinking about Shaggy and Friends. This is not a children's hotel. Children can go to the Hard Rock, which is right across the the fence from here. But you cannot bring children onto this property. I was asking because I would have loved to see my little nephew. No, they said none of them. They can bring it to Breathless.
No.
Oh.
Breathless is Hard Rock.
Oh, Breathless is Hard Rock. Okay, my bad. All right, so now we're visiting with the painter man.
Yeah.
And he's working on an elephant.
Right.
Yes.
Baby elephant.
So,
baby one.
so, Mr. Painter man, what is your name?
Q1.
Say that again?
Q1.
Q1.
Yeah.
Q1. Okay, like my Q1 strong ale.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So Q1, you're working on a little baby. Can you show the people the elephant? Okay. So he's working on a beautiful little baby elephant.
About 2 days old. 2 hours old.
Couple hours old.
2 days old.
Yeah.
And what is it that you're painting him with?
I'm using the mahogany wood stain.
Okay. So this is like some original Jamaican crafting technique.
Yes.
And that's mahogany wood?
No, this is red cedar.
Okay. All right. And so you and your partners put all of this together. You come up with the ideas. I notice you're painting him and leaving his ears.
Yeah, I leave the ears and I leave the tusk.
Okay. So hold on. I'm going to come around and get a better view of this elephant because this is done already?
Yeah.
These are done already.
Only to get the glaze on it.
Okay. And so you put the colors. Wow. All right. So it's not just one blanket thing where you just put everything all over the, like look at even this chicken.
Yeah.
You see the chicken is different colors.
And we use the food coloring.
Oh. You see, you don't need any fancy painting supplies. It's just food coloring. You stain it with the food color, but then you put a coat of lacquer.
We put sealer and then we put the lacquer.
Seal and lacquer it.
Yeah.
And you see, you have some Rasta gnomes down here.
Rasta Santa. Not quite
Rasta
finished as
Santa.
yet.
These are popular for Christmas. But even now in the summer, they buy it in preparation for Christmas.
For Christmas, yeah.
Okay. Very nice, Mr. Q1.
Okay.
There's a penguin. You have all kinds of animals and stuff around here. What were you looking at a while ago,
I was
Kerry?
looking at this elephant stool.
Okay, let's have a look at the
It's a stool.
intertwined octopuses. That is the plural of octopus. Okay, and this is what the elephant looks like after it's been stained and then it's been.
Stool.
I see the stool too, but see he did the same thing with the he left the ears out, and then he put different
Nice piece of furniture.
very nice piece of furniture. This is a nice stool made with the same elephant motif. So this is some fun stuff. He has a giraffe stool over here as well. In this little bamboo hut with some tiki stuff on the top of it. What do you think of, excuse me, what do you think of all these fabulous trinkets?
I think they're really cute. I especially like this little sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
They're my favorite animals.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Indiana, United States.
Indiana. Okay, so
Yeah.
say hi to everybody on Jamaicans.com.
Hi.
All right.
I look really gross. So.
You don't look gross. You look like you're on vacation.
Yeah, burnt.
How long have you been in Jamaica?
3 days.
And is this your first time?
It is.
Okay, and what do you think of it so far?
I love it. I'm here on our honeymoon with my husband. He's sneaking around.
Sorry.
Okay. No, congratulations
Thank
on your honeymoon.
you.
So did you get married here?
No, we didn't.
Why?
Well, we got
Too-
married at a vineyard. back
Too many
home.
oh, vineyards are beautiful.
Yeah,
Okay.
we like our wine. so-
Okay.
Well, I like our wine.
And is it your first time here too, husband?
Yes.
Okay. So what made you choose Jamaica?
I like reggae music.
He loves.
Okay.
This is like his dream vacation.
Reggae, drinking, and beach. So see, and what?
And the smoking.
Oh Lord! All right, so we can't say that
Oh,
on.
pardon.
Yeah.
We don't do
what,
that.
No, we don't do that. Okay. But what made you choose Secrets? Had you heard about it, or did you just throw a dart in?
Kind of threw a dart
Okay.
from some other people, and they
Uh-huh.
said that go to Secrets.
Well, we had a travel agent.
Okay. And have you been off the property?
And not yet.
Not yet.
There's too much to do here, so it doesn't matter. What do you think?
I feel like that's kind of how it is. I feel like they have all the water stuff that you would want to do,
Uh-huh.
snorkeling and like the kayaking and stuff. So,
So is that what you've been doing for the past few days?
well,
We've been taking it easy.
we've been
last few
taking it
days.
easy, but
But
tomorrow we want
Tomorrow
to
we're
do
gonna
a
start
couple
doing
more.
stuff. Yeah.
Okay. And how many more days do you have?
We leave
Through
Monday.
Monday.
Okay, so you have some time.
Yeah.
Do you plan to go to like the Rasta village or the what else is there to do?
Civic
Choco,
Center,
Choco.
rafting at Montego Bay. Even in
We
the
haven't
town center.
planned on it.
Even
This-
in the town center.
There's a
meet some local
skyline
people.
thing. Where
Yeah,
is that
zip
here? Or
line.
is that zip line? Is that in
It's
here?
up at Montpellier. Close by.
Oh.
Yeah, zip lining. There's all kinds of
Most-
stuff
I've
to do.
heard, we met a couple yesterday who said they were going to do that today.
Uh-huh.
They went on like a big old excursion for that.
But
So it sounds fun.
most of the activities are within 45 minutes of the property.
Yeah.
Maximum 45 minutes. So most are closer.
We'll have to look into that.
Thinking about it?
We're thinking about it.
All right. In the meantime, enjoy your turtle.
Oh, they're so
Thank you.
And enjoy your honeymoon.
Yeah.
Thank you for talking to
All
us.
right.
Yeah, man.